How to change your privacy and safety settings on X. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your privacy preferences and security settings in just a few steps. First, open the X app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top left corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now, tap Privacy and Safety. This is where you can control how your account, posts, and interactions are managed on X. Inside this section, you'll find options related to your audience and tagging, your posts, content you see, chat messages, discoverability and contacts, and other privacy controls. Simply open any category you want to adjust, like your posts. If a setting includes a toggle switch, turn it on to enable the feature, or turn it off to disable it. Review the available options and customize them according to your preferences to improve your privacy and overall experience on X. And that's it. That's how you can manage privacy and safety settings on X. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more X app tutorials and social media tips.